This is KNEB.TV weather from the KNEB Storm Center, your trusted source for weather.
Well, we did end up with a very beneficial range yesterday. We'll get to those here in just a moment. Still have a few showers out there in the region here for another couple of hours. And then once daytime heating goes away and we lose any sunlight, those thunderstorms will quickly come to an end, clearing skies and temperatures sliding down into the 40s. Well, it was a Sandhills soaker for sure. Look at some of these locations. 8 miles northeast of Mullen, 4 3/4 inches. About 4:10 as 6 miles west-southwest of Chambers. 2.5 miles south of Mullen, 3.75 inches. 14 miles northeast of Brewster, 3.5, 2.5 inches. 4.5 miles north of Brownlee. We had beneficial rains in our area as well. The Scottsbluff Airport, 1.32 inches. Just northeast of Brule, about 1.14 inches. South of Gering, 0.99 northeast of Minutair, 0.9. Bayard picking up 0.8. So some very beneficial rains, and we're not done with it yet. Take a look at our precip forecast as we go. Saturday, some isolated activity, but Sunday night, Monday, precip chances very high that we're going to see some precip in that area. As we look at the winds, they're going to be out of the park tomorrow strong, and then breezy conditions at times as we go through the end of the weekend. Severe weather threat, thankfully, much quieter tonight. Some gusty winds with any of those storms early. Tomorrow looks like a lesser day. Saturday, an isolated chance of a storm. I think we'll watch Sunday for the possibility of some severe weather here in the region. We'll talk about that more tomorrow. Temperatures right now in the 60s, except in Laramie, where it's in the 40s. And as we take a look at winds, they have been with us all day out of the northwest. Sustained winds over 30 miles an hour some areas, and gusts 50, 55 miles an hour in a few locations, especially near some of those storms. Out the door tomorrow, we're going to have a decent morning. Temperatures in the 50s will warm into the 60s by lunchtime, upper 60s through the afternoon to near 70 degrees. Any of those thunderstorms tonight quickly die off by 9, 10 o'clock, and it will clear out. Weather overnight going to be mostly clear. Some rain, I think, up in the Sandhills area. Can't rule out some of that northern Sandhills into South Dakota. Tomorrow going to be a drier, calmer day out there. Still going to see very windy conditions, though. Then as we go Saturday afternoon, a few isolated thunderstorms across the area, and the bigger day of rain coming for us on Sunday. Overnight lows tonight, generally in the 40s, some 30s in the higher elevations. Tomorrow's highs, 60s to near 70, 70s in the south. And take a look at our precip. This just gets us through Saturday into early Sunday. A few areas picking up a few hundredths of an inch of moisture. Some of that Sunday, Monday time frame could bring all of us a pretty decent shot of some accumulating rains, maybe at least another half inch for many of us. Thunderstorms early tonight, strong wind gusts, especially near those storms. Otherwise breezy, 45. Tomorrow it's going to be downright windy, gusts over 50. 70 are high. Tomorrow just going to be a raw, chilly day. And as we go into Saturday, we'll be in the mid-70s. Look at Sunday, only in the 50s, and Monday as well, mid-50s. We slowly rebound by Tuesday into the 60s. Wednesday and Thursday next week back into the 70s. Certainly Sunday afternoon we'll watch the potential for some severe weather and then maybe just some rain into Monday.